Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error code 0x80070483, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? Simply press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command ws reset and hit enter. Okay, this will reset the Microsoft Store cache and relaunch the Microsoft Store. The next solution is a malware scan. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it scan your system. Now the next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And lastly, you can re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.